All right. Hello, my name is Maverick Collins. This is my attempt at constructing a logical circuit. We are tasked with we are tasked with designing a script that incorporated half adder, full adder, uh, and the combination of those two, the parallel adder, and to use them in a script to output um, a desired outcome that was given to us by Professor Nasser. He gave these functions to us in class, the half adder, the full adder, and parallel adder. And we were tasked with designing this um, script to output this output that you see here below. Uh, Half adder with the truth functions, you know, off, 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 on, and computing the carry sum operations of those respectively that you see here. Furthermore, we were tasked with then utilizing the full adder to output three inputs and to use those outputs to create a full adder. Uh, and which you can see here, we have 0, 0, which is 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0, right? That's trivial. 0 plus 0 plus 1 equals 0, 1. Of course, that's the same for this third row. As you get to the fourth row, you have 0 plus 1 plus 1. And as you see here, 1 plus 1 makes a sum of 0 that carries over to 1, having 1, 0. That's the same case for this sixth row, 1 plus 0 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 makes a 0 sum, carries over then to the 1 column. You have 1, 0. And again for the seventh column. And it starts to differentiate here at the eighth row, where you have 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 1. The 1 carries over. The 0 plus 1 then changes the sum column to a 1, having 1, 1. So that was the desired output. I created a couple different text string formats that output this, utilizing these functions designed by Professor Nasser. Credit to him for these. If he didn't give me these, I would have took me a lot longer to create this script. So I utilized his functions below here. But I designed these IJ loops that you see here, these for loops, I should say, loop within a loop, that then compute this output by using I and J to compute the carry sum. Well, I should say it computes the carry sum. It's being returned here. And then I'm just simply printing this 4 times. This I loop goes into a range of 2, so it prints 0, 1. And it goes in within that, another case for J, 0, 1, and print it 2 more times. I should say this goes first, and then it goes out into the I and prints the I case. Uh, Same is true for this full adder, IJK. So you have a total of 8. It's an exponential case, right? So a loop within a loop is 4 times. A loop within a loop within a loop would be 8 times with a range of 2, right? 2 to the 3 or 2 to the 2. Where things start to get interesting is this parallel adder, which incorporates the half adder and full adder functionality that you will see in a second. Again, credit to Professor Nasser for this function, made life a lot easier. I then had to do some work to take in user input. When a user inputs through 2 3-bit binary numbers, my script is going to capture that input splitted by a space, and it's going to capture those binary 1 and binary 2 as integers. So we're going to map that string input into binary integers. They're then going to enter this parallel function that you see here and output the sum carry function effectively of those two numbers, which I have conveniently called results, and then furthermore as resultant, which computes the return value as a list. And then what I do is finally convert it back into a nicely outputted integer. So we will see that working in real time. So the example case is 110 added with 011 should equal 1001. And you will see that here in just a moment. 110 plus 011. I believe that's what we used as the example. Yes. And when we press enter, Kazinga. 110 plus 001 equals 1001. Exactly what we wanted from our output file. And there you have it. That is my script for constructing a logical circuit. I really enjoyed this project. It was very challenging initially, and with the help of Professor Nasser, he made it a lot more seamless. Helped me develop a lot more seamless solution. So thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed, and I look forward to the feedback. Thank you.